So today we're going to continue with monomial times a polynomial. We're going to actually use this in some equations. So we need to remember all the rules we've learned. So distributing here, we're going to get y squared minus 12y plus y squared plus 2y plus 25. Distributing over here, we're going to get 2y squared plus 10y minus 15. I'm going to simplify over here on the left. Y squared plus y squared would be 2y squared. I have minus 12y plus 10y, or sorry, plus 2y would be minus 10y. Then I have plus 25 equals 2y squared plus, we'll say 10y there, didn't say 10y, 10y minus 15. So now I'm going to subtract 2y squared from each side. When I do that, they basically just disappear because there's 2y squareds on both sides. And if your y squareds terms do not disappear or subtract away or add away, you've done something wrong because we don't know how to solve that yet. So now let's subtract 10y from each side. You can do something different if you want. So I'm going to get negative 20y plus 25 equals negative 15. So now I'm going to subtract 25 from each side and get negative 20y equals negative 40, divide by negative 20, and I get y equal 2. So just, I don't care which way you do it, but just show me your steps out here, like to side or underneath. If you still feel like you need to write your steps underneath, that is fine. Okay, again on this one we're going to distribute. We're going to get 12x plus x squared minus 7 equals 2x. Distributing, I'm going to get minus 4x plus x squared. I can do some simplifying on the right side, so let's go ahead and do that. I get 12x plus x squared minus 7 equals 2x minus 4x would be negative 2x plus x squared. So now I'm going to subtract x squared from each side, and they do disappear. Let's add 2x, well, wait a minute, let's subtract 12x since I don't have any other numbers over here. So let's subtract 12x from each side. I'm going to get negative 7 equals negative 14x. So I divide by negative 14, and that gives me negative 7 over negative 14 equal x, which reduces to positive 1/2. Never leave two negatives in a fraction, so just be 1/2 equal x. Alright, on this one it says the area of the shaded region, where I didn't give a picture in here, so let's draw our picture of what we need. We need a rectangle with a smaller rectangle inside, and the shaded region is this region in here, so the region that's surrounding it. And we're going to give a dimension here of 3x. This side is 2x plus 4. And inside we have, kind of hard to write this on there, so let's draw an arrow. So this side is x, and this side, I believe, is 2x. So, my first suggestion is don't even look at any of the links or anything. Let's talk about areas that we see. I hope that you can see three areas here. You see the small rectangle, you see the shaded area, and then you see the total area, I would hope. We're trying to write an expression for the shaded area, so would everybody agree that the total area minus the small rectangle area, I guess we'll call it RA, equals the shaded area. So now I'm going to use this idea. Now I'm going to stick some numbers or expressions in there. So total area would be my length times my width of the whole rectangle, so that would be 3x times the quantity 2x plus 4 minus the area of the inside part, the rectangle inside, is just going to be 2x times x, and that would be my shaded area. So distributing, I'm going to get 6x squared plus 12x minus 2x squared. Simplifying, I'm going to get 4x squared plus 12x, and that would be, oops, got a mistake somewhere, and that would be as far as I can go. Questions on that?